Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can put a video clip side by side with another video clip in your video project on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So navigate to the video editor in Microsoft Clipchamp, open up the video project, and as you can see I'm using this example video here. So you will see your timeline here at the bottom with the inserted video clips from your media library. I will go with this one and that one. And as you can see guys, they're not put side by side, but they follow one after another. So I would like to put one here in the frame and another one here so that both fit into the same frame. This is how you can do it. Left click into your first video clip, move your playhead, let's say, to the beginning, or we'd like to place the second video as well. What you want to do after that is left click into your frame here on the preview, and then use these buttons in the corners to resize your first video clip like this and position it somewhere. So you will see these orientation grid lines here to see how much space of the frame the given video clip takes. Release your left mouse and after that position the given video clip where you like. I will position it exactly here in the left centered area. And after that, what you want to do is left click into the second video clip on your timeline and move it above your first video clip here so that they both are on top of each other like this here on the timeline. And after that, left click into the second video clip on your frame here as well and move it to the other position here to the right. You may also resize it if you like using these handles or corners just like that. And then in the last step, you may also adjust the length of the video clip so that both video clips have the same length on your timeline. And now if you, for instance, play the preview or play button here or press space on your keyboard, you will see that both video clips are being played at the same time, being on the same in the same frame. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.